Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Developers Corner. So today we will cover auth verification, and then we will check if the user is admin or not. Then we will do some validation for MongoDB ID. Then we will do user block or unblock functionality that admin can block the users. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, I'm going to do some changes in our model. Okay, so we have first name, last name, email, mobile number, password, role. Okay, so one more thing, some things I'm going to add. Card type array, default it's blank. Okay, and then one thing I'm going to add address. Type object ID, object one minute, user addresses, type object ID, references, address. We will create new collection after that sometime. So second thing is wishlist, third thing is wishlist. Type object ID, and reference is what? Product. Okay, we have cart, we have address, wishlist. Okay, and one more thing we need to do, we need timestamps also. Time stamps true. Okay, that's it for here. So next thing what we have to do is, for user model it is okay for now, and now we are going to create one middleware, auth middleware .js. Okay, in auth middleware what we will do is we will verify the JWT token. Okay, and then we will check here that if the user is admin or not. Okay, let's start. So for that we need const user is equal to require models slash user model. Second thing what we need is JWT equal to require JSON web token. Okay, and third thing what we need is express async handler. Async handler is equal to require express async handler. Okay, so const auth middleware is equal to express async handler. I don't need you. async handler, async request response and next. So let's create a variable name token, let token, okay, if request dot headers dot authorization dot starts with what, bearer, then what we have to do is else throw new error, there is no token attached to the header, okay, and if token is present, then token is equal to request dot headers dot authorization dot split with blank space, okay, split convert it into array, and we need the second one value, okay, then try and catch error, throw new error, what is the error, not authorized token expired, please log in again, okay, and then in try what we need to do is if I think I am doing something wrong, okay, try catch, okay, if token is there, what you need to do, we need to decode const decoded is equal to, we need to verify the token, jwt dot verify, in verify we need to pass the token which we will get from headers and our secret key, process dot env dot jwt underscore secret, okay, then so let's first check what we are getting in decoded, so module dot exports is equal to auth middleware. So what you need to do is you have to go in routes, okay, so where you want to use this middleware now, you have to pass like where we can use, okay, you can use like this auth middleware, okay, okay, like this you can pass. So here I'm going to create one more middleware, okay, auth route, we are getting a user, okay, so postman I need, run server. Object ID is not defined. Okay, where is model? Mongoose dot mongoose. What I'm doing here? Dot mongoose dot schema dot types dot object ID. This we need to pass here. Sorry for my mistake. Okay, still we have error. Okay, what's the error? Module not found. Which module you not found? Controller service user controller. Okay. Okay. So let's try it once. Auth middleware I have passed here. Our server is running MongoId. Connected. Just delete the users, all users. Okay, let's create the new user, register a user, send. Okay, one user is created. Second is mono, it's 92. Second user is also created. So next what we have to do is I am creating now the admin. Okay, admin update. So now Deep is admin. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to log in from here. So we got the token, control C, get a user, bearer token, control A, control V, and we need to get the ID of this person, mono, and if we go here, control V, okay, it's sending request, and if we will check, then we are getting decoded user. Okay, so next what we have to do is we have to go here. So we need to find the user with the help of this ID. Okay, with the help of this ID we will find the user. So const user is equal to await user dot find by ID, find by ID, so decoded dot ID. Okay, and then request dot user is equal to user. Okay, and then next. Okay, if you check now, yeah, we are getting the user. Okay, we are getting our user. So next what I'm going to do is, okay, I will show one more thing to you. If I'm removing this, no authorization token expired. Okay, and if I will add again the k, we are getting the user. Okay, so next thing what we will do is we will create one more middleware, which is admin. So const is admin is equal to async handler, async request response next. Okay, so here what we will do is const, we will get the email from, so what we can do is now we will get everything in request dot user. Okay, is equal to request dot, wait, one more thing I will show you, request dot user. Okay, request dot user. Now go to route, and in this request we will check is admin. So is admin. Okay, oh, we got the error. Router dot get I think something wrong we have done here. Okay, oh, I got it. I forgot to export. Okay, if you send the request, then you can check we are getting the user in request.user that I have console.log here. Okay, so control Z. What we will do is const email is request.user. We are taking email from user request.user. Then we will find the user, admin user is equal to await user dot find one email. Okay, then if admin user dot role not equal to admin, if then what we need to do, throw new error. In error what we need to give, you are not an admin. Okay, what's the matter here? If what have done wrong, admin user dot role. Okay, if okay, you are not an admin, else it will pass the request. Okay, so send, because Navdeep is an admin. Okay, and yeah, we are getting our user. So one more thing I'm going to add here, which is, okay, let's first do the pending work. I'm going to change something, user control, where is update the user. Now we can get our ID from request.user. Okay, for updating a user we don't need to cannot destructure property. Okay, it should be underscore. Okay, request.user as it is undefined. Oh, sorry. So where is updated? Okay, I think delete user, edit as user, and pass auth middleware. Okay, and now if you will check, not found. API user edit, it's edit as user. Okay, cannot destructure property type ID. Okay, I think it is. Okay, let's first check what is request, what we are getting in log request.user. Okay, ID is not defined. So let's first check what we are getting in request.user. PM null. Okay, because I think I'm passing header also. ID is not defined. ID is not defined. Okay, this is the ID. Let's do one thing. Params log request.user. Okay, it's null. Why it is null? Update user. Why it is null? Auth middleware, update user, edit as user. Okay. Auth route. Okay. From here it is correct. Edit as user is also correct. Let's log in again once. Control C, user, Control V. Still it is giving null. Yeah, now we are getting the user. Okay, it's null. User control. Jeez. Okay, so it's underscore ID and it's request.user. Yeah, now we can update. So if we get all the users, we can see our user is updated. Okay, so now we will do one more thing. I'm going to add one more field here. Is blocked. So is blocked, its type boolean. Okay, boolean, and default it is false. Okay, default it is false. Now we will create two more routes. So two things we need to remember: only admin can block users. Okay, so it's blocked as user which user we want to block. Unblock test user ID. Okay, now go to the last. So const block user is equal to async handler async request response. Okay, control CV, and it's unblock user. Oh fuck, unblock user. Okay, so from here you need to pass block user, and then second you need to pass where is unblock user. Okay, so our two routes are ready. Let's focus on the functionality. So what you need to do is you need to const id is equal to what, request dot params. Okay, now try, then catch error, and then throw new error. Okay, so what you will do is const block is equal to user dot find by id and update. What you need to update is, with the help of id, is blocked true, and why it is not, it's new true. Okay, same thing, copy and paste here. Okay, here what you need to do is you need to make it false, unblock, and block response dot json. What we can do, we can simply send json message user blocked. Okay, then come here, user unblocked. Yeah, nice. So blocked as user, my route is blocked as user id. Okay, so let's get all the users, and I want to block which user. I'm going to block this user. So send cannot destructure property email of request dot user. Why you can't destructure? Const id cannot destructure email cannot destructure email. Where it is? Auth middleware. Okay, invalid credentials. Okay, I got it. Because I have updated the user, that's why. Control C, Control V, user blocked. Okay, let's duplicate the request, edit it, unblock. It's unblock. Cannot again. Why we are getting? What's the problem? It's unblocked as user ID. Okay. Auth route. Unblock user. Unblocked as user ID. Unblocked as user, and we are giving ID. Okay. Body authorization. User unblocked. Okay, user blocked. If we check the status, where is user? I think we need to create the users again. Let's register a user. Okay, MongoDB. Okay, it's Control C, Control V. Now you will get the token. Control C, Control V. You are not an admin. Let's refresh. Admin. Update. Refresh. User blocked. Control A, Control C. Okay. C. User unblocked. Now if we check, it's is unblock false. Send. Oh my god, why are you block user, unblock user? Okay, const block user. Oh fuck, what I'm doing? Sorry guys, my mistake. Okay, let's copy this. Unblock. It's false. Now it's true. So next thing what we will do is we are going to validate the MongoDB ID. So utils validate MongoDB ID.js. So const mongoose is equal to require mongoose. So const is equal to id const is valid is equal to mongoose dot schema dot types dot is valid mongoose dot schema dot types dot object id dot is valid id if not is valid then throw new error. This id is not valid or not found. So module dot exports to validate MongoDB ID. So now go to user controller. It's validate MongoDB ID. So where we are going to use this id underscore id. Okay, so get a user, it's v control x, it's id control c, okay, it's unblock user and paste it here also. Mongoose dot schema is validation node function. Okay, validate mongoose dot. Okay, yeah, now it's working. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please let me know if anything you want to add from your side. I will add. Okay, and do comments also, whatever you will need, and we will do together. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, okay, and like my videos if you like my content. So thank you guys.